There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop in white knuckle. With HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black badging, rear load leveling suspension, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, selectable steering modes, heated rear seats, power sunroof, rear DVD entertainment center, third row seating, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6726A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.